Kate Miller Fulcher to Toni Creates, and guys, a flip through of our Secret Garden journal. It's quite chunky. It's chunky like I like it, and I made a tassel to go on here, and this is a cabochon my daughter made. So there, and let's go through it. So front page, this is a letter from the journal maker. Just there. I'll always put one of those in my journal. Here's a tag. Okay, and this is the Secret Garden and journaling spot here, and then this is a basket. I can't remember. If you watch, I think this is on a video, if you want to go back and look at the videos to see how I made it. And then this little quote I framed so you could see Mistress Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and marigolds all in a row. So that, and then just journaling cards in this pocket. Some more journaling cards. This pocket is not from the kit. I think it's from a Hello Susan blue kit that I got. This is Angela Kerr's vellum book. So, oh, we need to put, okay, I need to put ephemera in there. Forgot to do that. So let's leave that up there so we can do that. And this is the basket there, and I just put this one in there like that. Butterfly, using some of my blingy things I got on holiday. And there's this is a journal card, so that fits in there. Another, I haven't sealed any of the envelopes from the kits so that they can be journal spots. And then another tags, and then this is our Marguerite Miller Challenge journaling spot. There's the prompts. And then just a decorated page, and this is a seed envelope. I think I have got something in here. What do I have in here? Little bits of ephemera to stick on where you'd like. Actually, I think I'll got like that. These are Tracy Fox's paperclip kits, so I love them. And then basket with a few cards in the front, and I put ruffles on, guys, put ruffles on my paper, a few of the pages. Another journal envelope, don't need to take it out, and a journal card just stuck in there, and another just a journal card stuck in there. And then this one also just random. This, I think some of this is offcuts from pages I used. I just made journal cards from them. Loving using my Angela Kerr bundle kit. Here some flowers. This was actually, I think, a freebie from Rach and Bella Crafts on their Ko-fi shop. And then just, this is from the kit. This was a page. I just cut them out randomly so we can stick it all in there. Unfortunately stuck this down a bit too far, so I have to tuck it in there. Oh, I think this also needs stuff. This was Rachel's vellum project. There's still a lot of projects I haven't done that I'm going to do in the next. I've got enough to do another journal, but I'm going to do a hardcover with a couple of signatures in it. So So that's there. And our lace belly band. And here's another, just a whole bunch of cards and a envelope journaling spot, and my Angela lace. Another one there. And this was a paper bag envelope, and I've just put in the shaker cards we did a while ago. So that's that there. Sorry, I'm trying to keep the journal in shot so I can stick that in. And then this is just a Nero art that I did, and then just stuck a few goodies on. Okay, and this is an envelope I did that I did the sort of the embellishments that I did a neutral, so I could come and stick this from the kit on here and the bits of lace, and it's looked fine. Some more envelope, just journaling cards. These are not envelopes, these are all from the kit. This is our these little pocket, and then there's our hidden pockets, and I did strengthen the backs of these with some wood, just so that can give it, so it's three tools that are journaling cards. So it's our hidden pocket. How cool is that? I love it. Next time I won't cut this down so sharp, so our handles can stick out a bit further. I suppose it doesn't really matter, but I don't want them to see that it's actually journaling cards, you know. It's just tools. We just have tools there, people. That one can come out there. This one's the long one, and then this one can come out till there. Yeah, so it's that one. And then this is another Marguerite Miller challenge. Oh, this I wasn't happy with this picture, so I thought I'm going to stick this down on top. Because we've got the verse that talks about the weather, the storm. So I only thought of this afterwards. It's like I don't have to have that picture there. And this, I need to get the bucket, make sure the bucket's straight. This fits perfectly, guys. Look at that. There we go. Now I'm much happier with that. Okay. And of course this is journaling down the back here. And this is a vellum bag I made. I think I have done this on camera. Not sure. Can't remember. So just 2 cards with some ribbon on. Could have made this a pocket, but didn't want to hide my bag. That's journaling space, people. What's this here? Bits of ribbon. Oh, it's bits of ribbon. And then just another pocket with some journaling. Again, another one of these envelopes. And I left these on, guys, because whoever who ends up with this journal might want to make it a pocket. Might decide, oh, I want to give a friend a gift card. It's a great size for a gift card. And then another one. I just stuck all the pockets from the kit in here. Could have been a bit more imaginative, I suppose. Here is a writing board. This I had in my stock, so just thought I'd bung it in there. And then this one I put some die cuts in here, so it goes in there. Okay, so we need to, well, I will come back afterwards and put some extra. So guys, I hope you like this. I love it. And this was actually these crochet flowers I did on holiday, so these were made in Portugal. Made in Portugal, guys. So yeah, I'm delighted with that. Anyway, have a great weekend, and I hope this inspires you. Cheerio now.